Class 8, chapter number 5, data handling. Today we'll solve some practice problems of based on probability. So here it's first question. In a simultaneous throw of a pair of dice, find the probability of getting a sum greater than 9 and second is a doublet. So the meaning of the simultaneous throw of pair of dice, that means like this, we are throwing the two dice together. So when the two dice thrown together, so we have the outcomes like on the first dice there is one comes up and the second dice also one comes up. On the first die if there is one comes up, but in the second die it is two comes up. So 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, these are the outcomes. Similarly, for first dice when 2 comes up, in the second dice it is 1 comes up. So here it's 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 are the outcomes. In the same way we get the outcomes for 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6, and for 4 it is 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6, and 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6, 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. So these are the total outcomes when the two dice thrown simultaneously. So when we count these numbers, when these pairs 1 2 3 4 5 6, and they are total number of outcomes are 36. Now we have to solve the first, a sum greater than 9. So let A be the event of getting pair whose sum is greater than 9. So sum may be 5 and 6, 6 and 4 is 10, greater than 9, 5 and 5, both dice has 5 and 5, 6 and 6, maybe reverse of this, first die is 6 and second dice is 5. Similarly here also, first die is 4 and second dice is 6. So we have the pair whose sum is greater than 9 are 4 6 5 5 5 6 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. So there are favorable outcomes are 6. As we know that probability is number of favorable outcomes of the event to the total number of outcomes. So here it is 6 upon 36, that is equal to 1 by 6. So we can say the probability of a sum greater than 9 is 1 by 6. Similarly, for the second question, let B is the event of getting a doublet in the sample space. So the doublet we can find as both the dice shown 1 1, both the dice shown 2 2, both will show 4 4, both will show 5 5. Similarly for 3 3 and 6 6. So there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we get the total number of favorable outcomes are 6. So by putting the value in the formula for probability, 6 upon 36 is equal to 1 by 6. So we can say the probability of getting a doublet is 1 by 6. Now let's come to the problem based on the playing cards. Question number second, a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that a card was drawn is a black king, the ace of spade, and other than an ace. Now as we know that a black king, that is club and spade, these two are the black kings. So we have two black kings are there. So number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, in this we will put the values 2 upon total number of cards in a pack is 52. So probability is 2 upon 52 and it will cancel out by 2, so 1 upon 26. So we can say the probability is 1 upon 26. Similarly, when we have to find the second one card which is come out from the 52 cards has an ace of spade. So let this probability for getting a card named ace of a spade card is PB, as we have written the probability for the first event that was PA. So here we write this one another variable PB. Now this is the ace of a spade, so this is only one card in the pack of 52 cards. So we have 1 is the favorable outcome for this event PB. So let put the values, number of favorable outcomes, that is 1, and total number of outcomes, that is total cards in a pack, is 52. So probability is 1 upon 52, and then we can say probability of drawing an ace of a spade is 1 by 52. In the same way, for the question number 3rd, we have to find out the probability of cards drawing other than aces. So aces, that is letter A written on the cards. So this is the heart of A of, this is spade A, diamond and club. So these are the 4 A's in the 52 cards. So we can say there are 4 A's. So number of cards other than these 4 A's will be 52 minus 4, that is 48. So that means the card which will not include these A's. So favorable outcomes is 48. Out of these 48 cards, we will draw a card. So probability is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now here, as we have written the previous 2 problems, probability for A, for B, so here we are writing this one event by C. So probability of the event is 48. Out of 52 cards, there are 48 cards which will not having any A's. So 42 upon 52 is the probability, and further it will simplify, or we can simplify this as both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 4. So 4 will divide both the numbers, so we get 12 upon 13. So we can say probability of card drawing other than ace is 12 upon 13.